Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the HOTLIGH LED flashlight. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, I do want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on a link and make a purchase. So definitely click those links, make a purchase. It definitely help us out. So again, this is the HOTLIGH without the T LED flashlight. This is model ZF8335, 3200 milliamp hour battery. And this one is so inside the box, you get your warranty card, get your quick start guide, comes with the USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And here is the light. So you have your power button on the side. You have your little belt clip. Here you have your charging port, USB-C, and right on top of that you have your 3 LED indicators. This is to let you know how much battery life you have. To charge this from a depleted battery to full, it takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. On the bottom you have your magnet, so you can attach this to anything magnetic, such as a tool chest, a car, the hood, for hands-free holding. So here I have another light that's magnetic, just to show you that it attaches. Let's just go ahead, open this up to see what kind of battery this is. And inside is an 18650 battery. So if this ever depletes or you always need a replacement, at least you know you can change out the battery. Got a little hook if you want to hang this from somewhere. Light swivels. So you do have 2 lights. You have this main one, a cool white, and you have one on the tip. So let's go ahead, turn this on. Press it again, and it also has your warm. So it's a dual. And here is the tip. So when you press the button multiple times, it cycles through the different ones. So you have your off, you have your cool, warm, and tip. And to change the brightness, simply turn it on and hold down the power button, and you can see it starts to dim. Flashes to let you know you're at the minimum. Press it again, it increases, and I'll flash to let you know you're at your max brightness. So if you're working on a table, you can set it down and do whatever you want. So like so. And then once you're done, press the button, turns off, fold it, and now you have a portable light. You need to use it, just go ahead, turn it on, and it's back at its full brightness. So light does swivel, so you can have it however you want. So if you want the light to be flashing up, you can do so. Or if you want it facing down. With the cool LED light, the white one, at full brightness, 800 lumens, lasts on a full battery 5 hours. on the warm, full brightness, 500 lumens, and lasts about 7 hours on full charge. The tip light, 100 lumens, full brightness, 16 hours on a full charge. So that's the HOTLIGH LED flashlight. Till next time, see ya.